All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we're going to compare the Pepyakka 3.0 against the Pepyakka 4.0. Both incredible fidget spinners by Custom Knife Factory. And we're going to analyze the similarities and the differences between the two of them. So the similar aspects, of course, are, like you can see, of course, the central button as the same design. The buttons on the arms also have the same design, 6 holes with a circle around them. So just the anodization is different, the color, but shape and design is the same. Construction also is the same. It's very similar. You have basically a skeleton with these arms made out of 3 pieces. You have this black part, titanium, then you have an inlay, and then you have the button. So same thing. Also, materials are the same, except for that in this case we have a Timascus limited edition version. So this is just more precious inlay compared to this one. But the steel frame and the titanium buttons are using the same materials. Also, you're gonna notice that the arm grooves and the right here and the arm side openings have the same design. So these are mainly the same things. Everything else is different because this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is an evolution. This is an improvement over the 3, not only because clearly you have like 2 arms instead of 3, but because of the sound, the noise they make. For example, this is the 2 spinning. All right. And this is the, sorry, that was the 3. This is the 4. So really much quieter than the 3. You hear vertical position and the 4 horizontal, super quiet, vertical, even quieter. And the arm design also is different. As you can see, the shape here tapers down like this. Here is completely different, as well as the inlay design, which follows the outside of the arm. Of course, is different. They changed the bearings. They are both caged ceramic bearings, but this is an improved version, and that's why there's the noise is like really diminished. Also, you have like the vials, the tritium vials are placed in a different position. This is on the inside, this one is on the outside. Of course, the weight is going to be different because there's much more material in the 4 compared to the 3. You also have the different placement of the serial number. Here on the 3.0 you have it on the inside. On the 4.0 you have to unscrew the button to see the number on the inside. Also, of course, another thing to consider is going to be the price as a difference, and the spinning time, because this guy is going to spin much longer. I found sometimes like I reached 3 minutes and a half, whereas with this guy is like 2.5, 3. But I mean, overall consistent spinning times for both, and yeah, really overall 2 great spinner. This guy is of course my favorite because its noise and the feeling, the feedback you receive when playing around with this one is just phenomenal. So, but this is just me, and there you have it. This was a really quick comparison between Pepyakka 3.0 and Pepyakka 4.0. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.